In this video, I'll show you how to enable and disable voice chat in GTA 5 Online. Now, if you're in the lobby, all you have to do is pause the game and then navigate to the settings section. So here it is, select that and then scroll down and select voice chat, choose that, and then you should find the option voice chat enabled. Simply ensure that this is enabled. And once you have set it to on, there's some couple of options you have to enable. So you can choose the output device if you want. You can also adjust the voice chat volume, and also you can adjust the SFX volume during voice chat and the music volume during voice chat. Additionally, you can also enable the microphone. So if you enable voice chat, of course, you'll need to enable the microphone so that someone can hear you speak. So you can enable that and then choose the input device or the microphone that you'll use to speak through. And then also you can choose the voice chat mode if you want it to be voice activated or push to talk. Now, if you select push to talk, you have to have a keybind for that particular option. So choose the option that you prefer. And as you can see, as I speak, you should see the voice volume appear up there. And also you can increase the microphone volume and also the microphone sensitivity. Now, once you're done, you can simply exit and the changes will be applied. Now, if you want to disable voice chat, simply navigate back to the voice chat section and then scroll up and select off, and that should disable voice chat. Thanks for watching. If you found this information useful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to the channel.